Senzo, Meiwa. I'm in a house, like a home. I can see like a living room area. And then behind that, I can see like a kitchen. There's multiple energies. Hold on. Definitely Senzo. I believe this will be Kelly. I feel like there's another energy that's attached to Kelly. I'm being shown like the front door. And there's a lot of, I'm just going to call it dark energies at this moment. And there's definitely some dark energies on the opposite side of the door. Okay, that's different. Hold on. I can see. I'm getting like two different perspectives. I think he's showing me his perspective, what he's seeing, but I'm also seeing like her perspective of what she's seeing. That's different. Hold on. Oh, I don't know what to get into first. Oh, it's heavy. I'm definitely getting a playa. That's what I'm hearing. Like playa, like cake and eat it too. I want my cake and I want to eat it too. I want your cake too. And I'm going to eat that too. Oh my, okay. So on her end, like he's feeling I want my cake and eat it too. And she's feeling like if I can't have you, nobody can. Rumors of what? Hold on. Can you clarify that? Whoa. So that's a lot of information. How do I put that into words? Hold on. I'm not sure how to put this into words. At first it was like saying basically making me feel like I'm saying to you that I want to break up with him, but that's not actually the case. I feel like that's a throw off. I feel like this is going to get me in some trouble. See, this is why I don't like doing this. Because this has nothing to do with me. But people are going to be angry at me if I say what they just told me. Debating in my own head if I want to reveal this stuff. They want me to. I feel like people are so dead set on, choosing sides. And just wanting to believe what they want to believe, right? And I get that. It's your free will. It's your choice. But I just feel like this information is going to make a lot of people mad at me when I don't even want to say it. First thing I heard was it was premeditated. His passing, allegedly, was premeditated. This Kelly girl, she made a deal with literally, she's into stuff. This Kelly girl's into some dark energy work. And she made a deal. And in that deal, there must be a sacrifice. Is she in the things, but she knows a lot of people. She's in the dark things behind the curtain. Ugh. I feel like she has like a room in her home. And then within that room, there's like this extra place. Like, it's dark stuff she does in there. Oh my gosh. The prayers that she prays for is not your typical prayers, okay? This feels like some definite, Mamun Mamadi, okay? We're not allowed to say that here. But some Mamun Mamadi stuff. For fame, fortune. Let me go back to these men. Because it's like there's this set of bad people, which I would feel like, or like it's representing the Mamun Mamadi, You know what I'm saying? But then there's another group of people, more street, more hood, that she knows and she's involved with. I feel like first she made a deal and it got her to a certain level. But that's not the level she wants to be. She wants to be up here. The energy is so strong. She does some dark practices in her spare time. I would almost call her like high ranking in these practices. But nobody's higher than God. Okay? Let's just put that down first. I hear there's going to be a lot of people mad at me for this. And I'm just telling you exactly the energies that I'm feeling. And I apologize if you can't handle that. I do see a payout. He's trying to protect her. From her point of view, the emotion is, oh my God, this is it. It's going down. It's time. She was scared. I feel like there was talking. After the first shot, bang, I hear conversating, like yelling, loud conversating. I feel like he can hear what's going on, but he's injured bad. He's injured very, very injured. This conversation after he was shot, there's something about, how do I explain that? It feels like we have to do this one more time so that we could say this so it looks more believable. So he's laying down. Something else has to happen in their mind. They're conversating about this to make it look more sufficient, I want to say, I think. There's something about this moment that's very important. I have to get it. There's something else about this moment that they spoke about over him. Like, he's laying there and they're speaking about it. Like, do it one more time. And I feel like they're saying, we have to do this so it fits this scenario even more. Like, it brings it all together. Now, I don't know if it's actually worked or not, but she's still free, right? She's not locked up, right? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure she's not. Like, why is she not locked up? Because people are being paid. There are people being paid off within the court system. There's somebody in the court system I'm hearing. Oh boy. I don't know if it's the judge. I don't know if it's the judge, but there's somebody it's almost like a desk that they're standing behind. So I don't know if this is the judge or like an attorney. But there's people being paid under the table. There's people being paid for the job. Yes. But there's other people, or it might be the same energy, that takes payments knowing they're lying. On and on and on and on and on. That's what they're paying for. Dragging it out? Possibly? I just feel like some of this information I should not know. Like, I should not. Oh. This lady got connections in dark places with dark people. But I wouldn't call them dark people. I would call them dark energies. These are dark energy people. All she cares about is fame. Oh. Oh my, hold on, because I spilled this, so I can't really, like. Oh, I know why they're going to be so mad at me. Oh, Kandice. Oh my God. Her fans have been put under a spell. Like hypnosis almost. Like, it feels like she can do no wrong. That's what I feel like. I can do no wrong. Like, that's what I feel like. Like, Like, that's the freaking spell. She's hypnotized her fans through her music. Because I don't even know if she actually does music, but that's what Spirit just said. She hypnotizes her fans through music. Like, I don't know any of her songs. I don't, have South African news. You know what I'm saying? Or music that pops up. I don't even listen to music. If I do, it's like Ariana Grande. Oh my god, this is creepy. Okay. Don't he have a wife? I wonder if I could pick up anything with her. Immediately feel like he's always been a player, because I heard that again. I feel like in the beginning, it really bothered her. I feel like they've been together for a while, and he's done it for a while. And I just feel very nonchalant. Like, he's gonna do what he's gonna do, but as long as he's taking care of home, I feel like he does take care of home in a sense. She's just like, I feel like she's been so traumatized from all the cheating, but like she don't want to leave because she feels like it's a good thing that she has with him, but at the same time, she don't want to let him go because it puts her in a better position. So she stays, but she lets him do whatever he want to do. I think she was also seeing somebody on the side, allegedly. But it took years for her to do that. Very nonchalant, not phased. Like if somebody would say, hey, I saw your man cheating, she won't even have blinked. Because she's like, I know, I already know that. She's so nonchalant. Like, she truly don't care because I feel like everything's taken care of. That's the mind frame I'm getting. Because somebody asked me, Kandice, do you think she set Kelly up? I don't. She's so nonchalant. She already got the prize. She's married to him. This was like a real sacrifice for fame and fortune. This was an offering. His life was an offering. I hope, if nothing else comes from this video, that at least I can alert you to snap out. If you're one of the people that have been put under this spell or under this hypnosis, whatever you want to call it, that I can at least snap you out of that. Because nobody should be put under any spell or hypnosis without their consent, number one. Here we go. I just feel like I'm going to be so spiritually attacked now because of this reading. She was a little bit in shock when everything was happening, and it was just because she couldn't believe she was actually going through with it. I think she was fighting with herself for a little while about it, and then he must have did something or said something to her that made her finalize it. Like, yeah, this is my decision, yes. She definitely knows the people that came there. She definitely knows them, like she spoke to them before. She knows these people. She may not know, but she spoke to these people. It may have been, she knows somebody that they know, that they hooked her up with them, like a triangle. I'm also seeing extra money throughout a long period of time within this court system. This court system is so corrupt.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Senzo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. Kandice is an American medium who has her own YouTube channel where she focuses on solving public cases, or at least help in trying to uncover the mysteries behind the public cases. You guys, now a medium is someone who is able to tap into the spiritual realm and be able to communicate with people who have departed. So Kandice has been trending for doing those kind of public cases. She recently did a reading about Annette Embe and the late South African rapper AKA, and people have hopped into her comment section pleading with her to at least do a reading on a case which has been dragging for so many years now. They wanted her to at least give a perspective of what really happened to Senzo, who was shot and killed back in 2013. He was shot in front of his girlfriend at the time, singer Khumalo, at her mother's house at the time, you guys. Until this day, they have been adamant that an intruder broke into the house, shot, and then deleted Senzo Meiwa. Till this day, his identity of the intruder who have allegedly walked into the house and shot him um, during that tragic night is still a mystery today. Now, Candice allegedly had to tap into that night spiritually, and she says that she sensed a lot of negative energy in that house that they were at that night, and she alleged to have sensed a lot of Kelly Khumalo's negative energy, saying that she felt like if she, Kelly Khumalo, cannot have a Senzo, then no one else will do that, you guys. Now, Candy, the medium, was kind of contradicting herself, I must say, when she revealed that yes, she is seeing this whole scenario playing around in her image, and she knows that the reading will. That reading or Senzo Meiwa rather will get a lot of people to basically come out there and start to come for her in the comments, bashing her. So she fears about what the outcome of this particular reading will be, you guys. But she will, no matter what, um the outcome will be. And basically the whole outcome of this reading is that Osenzumeyo's death was a premeditated, meaning his death was probably planned from A to Z. This is what Kendi is alleging, you guys. Now, she also alleged that singer Kelly Khumalo is into really dark and evil things, more like evil rituals, and claims that the singer has made a deal, a very evil deal with the dark side, you guys. The Holomnom, as she said, she says she is into some serious sacrifice, creepy things, meaning that she could possibly have sacrificed with the late soccer player Senzo Meiwa, and she did end up putting the word allegedly at the end of her sentence. Apparently, Kelly Khumalo has a room in her home that is also alleged. Um, she has a room in her home where a lot of evil practices of her own happens there. Candy said that with a look of disgust, you guys, she was disgusted as she mentioned that. She says Ukeli Khumalo is spiritually connected with a lot of evil and underground things and evil people. She kept on emphasizing on that. She also mentioned that she could have sacrificed within the Meiwa for fame and fortune. She has said quite a lot to the moment where even Omeyu was shot and alleged that it was probably a cover up to fit a certain scenario on how he died. She also revealed that a lot of people within the South African justice system might have been paid to maybe vanish evidence, keep it away to make this matter disappear. Now, she also said that there's people who are being paid under the table. There are other people who are being paid to lie under oath, you guys, and there are also people paid to keep lying, to drag this whole Senzo Meiwa issue on and on without a solution. Now, she states that Kelly Khumalo's fans can see Kelly Khumalo as the saint, and she cannot do wrong in their faces. It is almost like they look up to Kelly Khumalo, and she says that she has brainwashed her fans with her music. And lastly, she also inserted Senzo's wife, Umandisa, and revealed that she has been very patient with his cheating for quite some time while he was still alive, and she stayed with him because he wouldn't change his cheating ways. But because she loved him, she decided it would be best if she stayed. Now, also, however, she also alleged that Umandisa, after quite some time of Ukubegezela, then decided to find someone to love more like a side boyfriend, you guys. Now, Candice said quite a lot, you guys. What do you think about what psychic medium Candice Storm is saying about this whole Kelly Khumalo hashtag or slash Senzo Meiwa saga? Please do engage with me in the comment section and tell me what your thoughts are, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I will definitely be seeing you on my next video. Bye and God bless.